friends, so welcome to Corporate Tales. And my house is in a mess, and the lighting's not that great. It's cloudy, it's sunny, and I'm confused. The weather in Bangalore is a bit confused. So, update, update. It's bluish when I keep it on my dresser. So yeah, I will be moving out of this home pretty soon. So today I'm going to share just a quick packing uh, video or blog with you. I've already taken down the boxes, and I have scheduled about an hour. Whatever I can pack, I'm going to pack, and I also want to pack my clothes. So let's go ahead and start. Alright, friends. So I recommend. I'm not going to show you how I've packed my utensils. I've already shown when I packed this particular box. These are just some tiffin, some extra items, measuring spoons and things like that. And this from the juicer, and this is the cutlery set. So probably I will take it back with me to Mumbai because I don't need these many. So if and when I go to Mumbai. So I recommend, like I said, I recommend keeping boxes. I kept all the Amazon boxes as well, whatever I've ordered. It says Amazon pantry. So I think if you can read Amazon pantry. Yeah. So I had ordered a rice, 5 kg rice in that. So I've kept all the boxes. It helps. I am going to have call porter. So but it helps if you go out and pack your utensils. It helps with unpacking as well. You know in which box you have packed what. So I've kept tip number one. I recommend keeping the original packaging if you move a lot. So this is another box, and I've kept another few things. They are not arranged, so I think the movers and packers of the portal, they will go ahead and rearrange it better than what I have done. So yeah, keep the original boxes if you move out a lot. Usually in Mumbai we go and tend to throw it away, throw the boxes away because of the space issue. I also kept the box for the pressure cooker, so I'm going to keep. I've kept it on the top. If you see, I've kept the laptop inside my wardrobe because I want this table. I want to keep these boxes. So this is my toaster, sandwich maker, grill or sandwich maker, and these are some small random boxes to keep the water bottle. I've kept those boxes as well because I don't want dents and bends on my on my things. And this is just the water heater. So, and I've already packed the juicer. Then I've also kept the box for my steel dabbas, and I've also kept the plastics. I've packed the packed the dabbas as well. I'm going to pick up the bottle. So yeah, I recommend keeping the boxes. Now this box belongs to these table. So these tables I ordered from Amazon. This set of three, and one is in the bedroom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep. I have kept the boxes. I've kept the packaging as well. I like those. The quality of those tables are really very very good. These are some some packaging bubble wrap that I've kept in case if I want to carry some or wrap or pack some glass items. These will come helpful. I've even kept the bulb boxes. It has one bulb in it. This belongs to the what do you call the router. I also have to pick up these diaries. So small things like that I plan to pack for an hour. So let's go ahead and pack a few more things. I want to show you one more thing. Let's just go in the bedroom. And yeah, it is a bit messy right now. So what I have done is I have also whatever packets, food packets, right, were unopened, are packed like these. Let me just pull this out a bit. Are packed like these. I don't have much, but I just have few, so I've packed like these in one bag, so that they don't get spoiled or damaged. It's food, and I don't want to throw. So that's one that's done. And now let's go ahead and pack the clothing. So here's what I have for clothing. So for clothing, I have this big duffel bag that I plan to carry with me, and then I have these small pouches, makeup bag, and things like that. So you know, and these packing cubes that like I've already shown. So what I plan to do is I want to remove these sweaters and just take blazers and some important stuff that I want to carry. So let me adjust my camera. Alright friends, so this is what I've come up with. This is another packing cube, this is one packing cube. And what I plan to do is I'm going to pack my some cosmetics, the makeup bag and the medicines. I will pack it in this, and then I can, because it's taking a lot of space. You know what, let me do something. Let me just, put in a perfume also here. I'm going to pack this makeup bag, and I'm going to keep it in this. Alright friends, I have one packing cube here. I don't plan to take these clothes. I just want a formal pant, a Zara pant I guess. From this I will take it with me. I don't know which one's which. I guess this is the one. This is the one. Which one? I'll have to open the packing cube. Let's do it here. Better. I'm not able to adjust, the camera because of the lighting. So I have one Zara. Yeah, this is the one. So this Zara pant I plan to take with me, and I don't want to take these clothes with me. I will ask movers and packers to get it. So let's just keep it in this. I'm working with one hand, so please forgive me. All right, so I guess that's sorted. Let me pack this, and let me take out a few more clothes from the wardrobe. This is my Michael Kors that I want to take. I've done a handbag haul video. These are tops, the dressy tops, or just tops that I have. This is like formal clothing, shirts, or regular everyday wear if I go to office. So I want to carry that with me. So I'm going to carry that as well. And then this bag is my trekking bag actually, and I want to take the sweaters. I'm going to keep the sweaters in that bag. I'm not going to carry that bag. Then I'm going to carry my makeup bag, and I'm also going to carry some medicines are sorted. I'm going to resort them and carry some medicines. This is my jewelry box, so it's light, not the real jewelry, the imitation jewelry. So I'm going to try and pack this in this duffel bag, huge duffel bag that I have. So let me sort out some more things from wardrobe, and I'll get back to you. Alright my darling friends, I have another bag like this one that I got from Crawford Market, and I can stuff in a lot of clothes in this, so I'm going to do that later. So this is how I've packed this. This is my makeup, lipsticks and all that. I've kept just few lipsticks outside, okay, and some skincare. I'm going to pack it here, and these are the bags that actually I had put it inside. Let's see if this one does not go, so I will see, but this definitely fits in. It's like a wallet, the Milano wallet. So I'm gonna keep it like this maybe. So I don't want to spoil the shape of the bag, I'm going to remove this perfume. Now let's see, stays, and then let's see if I can put in the perfume. Oopsie. Yeah, I'll see if I can put it inside this, but this is already very full. If I keep it like this on the top, Seriously, I'm already very exhausted. I did some packing, and then on weekend I could not do packing at all. So I guess this is good. All right, let me finish it, and then I will show you the end product. All right, friends. This packing cube with this packing cube, I cannot go ahead and close my duffel bag. So whatever were important from this packing cube, I put it in this packing cube. This is my MK, and there is this packing cube which has my blazers and work pants, formal clothing, and things like that. So maybe I can put in some more skincare bag here and some food items here, and let's just see if I can pack it. Ooh. Yes, it works. I'm happy. This is what I'm going to take, and the rest of the stuff I have to pack in this bag, and the other big bag, the trekking bag, that bag. So that's the goal. I want to pack all the clothes today. It's my bag. All right, my friends, let's go to the kitchen. So this is all. Oh my God, the lighting, the lighting. So this is all for today. I will take rest. I'm exhausted, and I will, finish packing the other clothes that are there in the wardrobe. But I did a good job. I'm very happy with myself. And if you like the video, hit like, share, and subscribe. Where I'm going, I'm not sure which house. I don't have a house yet. I've been looking. I'm going for sure. And where is going to be a surprise. So stay tuned. And if you have any packing tips, please do share with me. Thank you for watching. Bye.